Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. In part one of tonight's nightcap, I make a plastic bush, turn some plastic, real horrible stuff, stringy bastards everywhere. In part two, I do a bit of plasma cutting, and I was editing some video and I found some video underground stuff in Ramgale mine at Alston. One is a horse gin, which is like a big upright wheel with a rope round it, and the horse would go around the bottom and it was used as a winch. I'll show a little bit of that. And there was also a toilet box that were found underground. I'll show a little bit of that. They're just short clips, but I thought people have asked about the mining are interesting. This Stuart Turner engine's coming on well. There'll be 2 videos up tomorrow night. There was no videos up last week because I put the videos on Patrion first. They're on Patrion channel with no adverts, and then they come onto my ordinary channel with the adverts. The Patrion channel is going quite well. There's a link in the description box. If you have a look, click on the link. It's £1 a week to become a Patrion. Well, you can pay as much as you want, but it starts off at £1 a week, just to help me make more and better videos. If I get enough patrons, I'll stop work and I'll just do videos full time, because there's loads and loads of content. I've got loads of projects to do. The gas turbine's one of them. Lots of places I want to go and video. I've got some good contacts and I can get into places to do video that a lot of people normally can't. There's a few more names come in for the monthly draw. If you haven't entered the draw, all you've got to do is send me an email. That's my email up there. Your name goes into a bucket. If it's drawn out, you get a prize. This is drawn the first Sunday of every month. I've got a bit of a problem next weekend because it's actually my 40th wedding anniversary, Ruby wedding anniversary, I've been told, and I'm taking Deborah away for a few nights down country, nice, relaxing, like in a spa hotel. So there won't be a draw. I'll probably be a nightcap. I'll probably do something this week and put it on a timer. But if you're wondering what's happening next Sunday, that's the reason I won't be here. There's a little bit of your mail come in. I want to show some of that. One item's very, let's say, interesting. I've been asked to do a small job by my sister-in-law. This is a base for a parasol, and she wants that to be able to fit into there. The ideal material to make a bush is plastic. I've got some plastic there, but unfortunately it's too small and the next bit is too big. But I have got a lathe. The lathe needs cleaning, so before I clean the lathe, I'll turn this horrible bit of plastic into like a top hat bush that fits in there. I'm not sure what sort of plastic it is. It's heavy, fairly dense. It was actually sent in to me by a viewer because I had no 4-inch plastic. So I managed to cut a piece off the end and we'll have a go at machining that. I'm going to put the reverse jaws in the lathe so I can get a decent hold of it. It's always a good time to clean the chuck as well when you've got the jaws out of it. Any little chips removed from there. That's number 1, that's the first one. We'll turn it round until you see the start of the scroll, which is there. Jaw number 1 goes in first. Then jaw number 2. Bastard. And the last one. And you should all meet in the centre when you've got it set up right. Which should be what we're gonna do. Right, we'll skim the end of that, put a centre in, reduce the diameter down and then bore it to suit. Messy stuff to machine plastic. You can't normally get the chips to break. I did have a tool that was pretty good on plastic. Obviously when you're machining this, you don't want to be standing in the line of fire because it's putting up the chuck a fair way. You stand to this side of it, and if it comes out it isn't going to hit you. Just until we get the centre in there. Right, that'll do. Once you put a centre in, it'll take some decent cuts once it's supported properly. Put a power feed onto it. Horrible stringy bastard things, look at them. Right, that's going to get all snarled up like a bastard, look at it. I need to get a cutter that's actually going to break these chips, it's no good at all. Doing this. Right, we'll have a little bit plain so we can find. I want something really sharp with a very, very good chip breaker on it. I'll see what I can find in me bits and pieces raw. Right, I found a high-speed steel tool that looks like it might well do the job. I just want to try. Yeah, it's still not breaking the chips, but at least they're coming off in a more controlled manner. Absolutely amazing the way that's happening. It's almost like weightless, like it's very strange. I do a little bit of measuring, putting a really good finish on. That's where high-speed steel tooling often comes in very useful. Right, we need 15mm off that. Right, that's a 5mm cut, that'll take 10 off it. Yeah, me. Right, 6mm. That's a 3mm cut. Those chips are actually wrapping around the part. Horrible stuff. I've actually bought a new part and blade system. The hole that I had, I broke and Banggood aren't doing them anymore. So I bought a complete blade and a box of tips. But this time they're only 2mm wide, the other ones were 4mm, so it should be a lot better. I'm going to do a little bit of video on this parting tool. I've used it 1 or 2 times, it's pretty good. I've obviously never tried it on plastic, but I don't think it'll have a problem cutting through there. Need enough blade sticking out to do the job, but no more. Overhang is the biggest killer on parting off. I'm actually going to modify this tool holder so it goes straight to the dovetail. I've done them for other people that haven't done my own yet, so I've got to get that done. This is horrible stuff, this stringy, nasty. Right, that's it. The wobbly's on, so it's... I've used a big enough piece, or left a big enough piece in there to be useful. So I can make some out of that part, and this is a bit for the bush. I've put the standard jaws back in. Need to put a hole through here now. Be careful it doesn't get hot and melt on the drill, like it's trying to do there. This should sort it out. Drop down 1 gear. Right, that will give the other drill clearance for the swarf to come out. It'd been cheaper to go and buy her a new parasail, I think. Anyway. We need a 34 4mm hole. This is a 31mm drill. See how this fares. I've purposely left the part out of the back of the chuck so I can get the boring bar all the way through. I think that's sort of there. What can you say? Job we've made of it. That's going nowhere. I've just got to drill through here now so I can put the locking screw in. And a little bit of dummy bar that we had. There's a nice tight fit in there. That's actually an incredible fit in there.